We're going to start our coverage of these two big legal cases with our Scott MacFarlane, who has been following all of this, plus the new filing by special counsel Jack Smith. Scott, do we know what sort of evidence special counsel Smith filed today? Will any of it become public?
As the evening began, we didn't know. 5 p.m. Eastern Time, September 26th was always going to be a dramatic, tense deadline, and the deadline arrived without the drama going away, without cutting the tension. CBS News sources say the Department of Justice's special counsel has met the court obligation and filed this filing by 5 p.m. on Thursday. But all appearances from the court docket and from the court papers is it's under seal, which means it's not public facing. We can't read through it. Nobody outside of the parties involved, the judge's chambers, can read through it. That can change, though, Nancy. This is now in the hands of Judge Tanya Chutkan, who has the discretion, potentially has the discretion, to unseal this and release it for people to read, at least sections of it, maybe unredacted sections of it. But here's what we know is included. The special counsel has said in its court filings this is going to be about 180 pages. By federal court standards, that's enormous. That's huge. They needed the judge's permission to file so much, and they did so over the defense's objections. And in court proceedings CBS News attended, the special counsel's prosecutors said this is going to include exhibits, things that may have been before the grand jury, may have been part of the FBI investigation. It may have revelations, things we don't know, despite all the exhaustive investigations of Trump's alleged efforts to overturn the election. What's uncertain, though, is when we'll see it. Could be the coming hours, could be the coming days, it could be after the 2024 election. This is now in the hands of D.C. federal judge Tanya Chutkan.
Scott, what could there be possibly at this point that we don't know? We all sat through weeks of the January 6th hearings on Capitol Hill, for example, and whether there's anything new and revelatory in this filing or not, what is the significance of the fact that it has now been filed? What happens next?
And the special counsel has met every deadline in this case, so there was every anticipation they were going to meet this one, too. The Department of Justice has a little more leverage, a little more bandwidth to investigate than that congressional committee did. So we've been working under the assumption that they have a bigger plate of things to choose from as they try to show the judge what they're going to show a jury if this goes to trial. Remember, Nancy, the whole premise here is the Department of Justice has to convince the judge they can plow ahead with this case, despite the limitations put on it by the Supreme Court giving Trump some form of presidential immunity. The special counsel kept the same 4 felonies in place, the same charges, put a superseding indictment from a new grand jury. There has been a prospect. There are revelations in this filing, but as the evening began here in Washington, we were not certain when or if we'll get to see it.
A couple of months ago, we all remember the Supreme Court handed down this blockbuster decision granting former presidents broad immunity from prosecution. How does that tie into today's filing? How could that ruling have impacted what went into this filing?
And the Trump defense has tried to get this case dismissed in multiple ways, multiple times, and no doubt the Supreme Court ruling has given them something else to argue. What Jack Smith's trying to do here is to show the judge he has a case still, despite the limitations, despite some things now potentially being shielded by presidential immunity. He's still going to try to charge Trump and try Trump for obstruction and conspiracy for the actions between November 3rd, 2020 and January 6th, 2021. There still is a nexus to the January 6th riot in this case. They're alleging that he used the riot to further inspire a conspiracy to overturn results. We'll see what the judge says here and whether she wants Trump's legal team to weigh in on this first and potentially share their opinions. And no doubt Trump's team does not want this public. They tried to block Jack Smith from filing such a voluminous filing in the first place.
Scott MacFarlane, you always break things down so clearly. Thank you for doing that for us tonight. Appreciate it.